Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Arris router not working properly. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so if your Arris router isn't working, there could be several causes from loose cables to firmware issues. So here's how to troubleshoot and fix it. So step number one, or fix number one, check all cables and connections. So ensure the power cable, Ethernet cables and coaxial cable, if applicable, are plugged in securely at the back of the unit. Look for any damaged or fray wires while you're there. You can also try a different power outlet. Fix number two, restart your router. So unplug your router from the power source, wait 30 seconds to 1 minute, then plug it back in and wait for all lights to stabilize. This usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes. Fix number three, reboot your modem if separate. So if you're using a separate modem, unplug both the modem and router. Power the modem on first, wait for it to fully boot, then turn on the router. Fix 4, check internet status. So use another device to see if the issue is just with one device or all. Go to your ISP website, for example Spectrum, Xfinity, using mobile data to check for any outages in your area. Fix number 5, reset the router. So press and hold the reset button. This is usually a small pinhole for 10 to 15 seconds. This will restore factory settings, so you'll need to reconfigure your network afterwards. Fix number 6, access the router settings. So go to this number or that number in your browser, log in using default or custom credentials, check for any firmware updates or incorrect settings. Fix number 7, use the Arris app or web GUI. So the Arris surfboard app, if supported, lets you reboot the router, check connection status and update firmware. Fix number 8, bypass the router. So you can connect your computer directly to the modem via Ethernet. If the internet works, your router is likely the issue, not the modem or ISP. Fix number 9, contact support. So if nothing works, call Arris customer service or your internet provider. You may need a replacement router if it is defective.